After a brain injury, you might feel foggy, like your thinking is slow or like your mind isn't clear. This is often called brain fog. You might feel like your thoughts are slower. You might struggle to focus or lose track of what you were doing. Even simple tasks can feel harder. After a brain injury, your brain is healing. It is working harder just to do normal things. This can make thinking feel slower and less clear. You might walk into a room and forget why you're there. You might struggle to follow conversations or feel overwhelmed by too much information. This is all part of brain fog. There are simple ways to help. Take things slowly. Focus on one task at a time. Take regular breaks. Keep things simple. Reduce distractions. Brain fog can feel frustrating, but it is very common, and it does improve over time. Your brain is healing. Take it one step at a time. You are not alone, and things can get better. This channel is here to help.